But up first, a raging wildfire in southern Arizona. The Sawmill Fire has now burned more than 40,000 acres.
Crews have been battling the fire since the weekend. It's 7% contained. Windy and dry conditions have made the firefight tough. Homes in the area have been evacuated as crews work to control the fire from the air and the ground. Those who have had to evacuate says it was unexpected and is a wake-up call for fire season.
This is real scary. We weren't ready at all.
Well, we can tell you the Sawmill Fire is human caused. We'll continue to monitor any developments and bring them to you throughout the evening.
Here's